Mgnrega bu VVG Ramji Haina Maming Onthokhibagi Maiyokta Lebak Sin Batungna Numit Nipu Mangani Sumna Sathagada Khongjang Manipur gi Oinasu AICC gi Manipur in charge Saptagirina ngasi Houdokhre Imphal gi Congress Bhavan da Sathakiba Wakat Khongjang aduda MPCC gi President MLA Kaisham Megasandra CLP gi Lusingbo Okrami Bobi CWC gi member Gaikhangam Hanagi MP Thoksom Mainia amadi Hanagi MLA amasung MPCC gi office bearer Singsu Saruk Yaki Wakat Khongjang aduga mari lenana AICC gi Manipur in charge Saptagirina hai Central government na sada humpu amade state government na sada nipu putolga thabak tagudoriba Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Azivika Mission Gramin VVG Ramji asina sel thungi awaba maiknari bamari resource lejada ba Manipur gumba apik state kayadadi asoba polum ama oigadori khongthang ase Mgnrega na sothana leriba khungangi miyam da piramba khudong saba kya muthanabagi maram ama oirei asugumba draconian act ase handokadabani Satharliba Thongasi Constitution to Gainabigi Khongthangamani, Manam Katana Hai, Prime Minister Narendra Modi Manipur Khongsata, Irangasin, Maramoriga, Mio Lising Humpurom, Lanzana Dunangasi Fogba, Masamasagim the Hanjinba, Namdana, Amadi, Lamdamasida Tangulitaba, Puruknabagi, Wafum Amata, Pongdolam the Asi Libak Tibani, Manipur Miang Pambadi, Prime Minister Nalaga, Wangang Badunate, Toli Berangasigi, Tunkoina, Sanaga the Bawaru Shinama, Putolam Baduni, Landamasida President's Rule Tamjindun Amadi Makatana Sangtana Bahona Lebasi, Manipur Bukas Mirgi Fibam, the Onthokhibagi Bahona Ribra Hainasu, Mahana Hanki.
During the last few days, suddenly a bill was introduced called the Viksit Bharat Gramji Bill, and no one had an idea. And I am the standing committee chairperson of Rural Development Panchayati Raj as well. Even we didn't have an idea. Like they are coming up with a bill which is completely replacing Mgnrega. Mgnrega was a rights-based employment guarantee program launched by UPA in 2005. They're replacing this with a centrally sponsored scheme, and we have issues with that because with Mgnrega, any person who has been demanding job, they're entitled to get work at the rural level within 15 days. Otherwise, the unemployment allowance would be kicked in. So this is something which is very unfortunate. We had our CWC meeting on 27 December 2025, and unanimously, all of us, we decided that we will have this 45-day protest throughout the country, culminating into zonal-wise rallies in 4 zones throughout the country, big rallies, and we will force the government to repeal this draconian VV Gramji Act.